Now we're going to make a napkin that stands up with flaps. It's going to be out of paper napkin. We're going to take one side of the napkin and fold it towards us. Then we're going to take one side and fold it to the other side to create a square. Then you have to make sure that the open side is toward you. We're going to take the first layer and open it up to create a triangle. As you can see, we're opening it up. And we're going to turn it to the other side. After we opened it, we're going to turn it. We're going to turn it over and take the square that is left and turn it to the other side. Then we're going to take the square and open it like we did before. Open it to shape a triangle. And we're going to fold it in two after we opened it. And now we're going to open it up.